I just found a brand new AI tool that turns your vibe-coded websites and apps into production-ready tools in just a few minutes. Because the number one problem with all vibe-coded tools and apps right now is one, there are tons of security concerns with them, and two, a lot of times the code that you end up generating is broken or your user's gonna have a bad experience. But don't panic, because if you start using this new AI tool that I'm about to share with you, it fixes all those things in just a few minutes. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what that tool is, how you could use it, and how you could get started with it today. Now that new tool that I'm talking about is going to be Deep Agent, because it just got an absolutely massive upgrade that allows you to now QA websites or QA tools, apps, anything that you want, and you could get it to do so much more that I'm about to share with you. So let's say that we built this website right here. Now we wanted to go through and actually see what's wrong with it or if we could fix anything. What we would do is simply just pull up Deep Agent and type in a prompt like this. Take my e-commerce app and design a comprehensive test for it. I want you to execute the plan end to end as a real user would and schedule it every Monday at 9 a.m. Pacific. And I want you to identify and document any broken flows, any links, any images, or any unexpected behavior. And then if any of those things occur, capture clear evidence for the issue and provide the test report in HTML format. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to ask us a few questions like what the URL is, if there are any specific user flows we want it to go through, or if we have test credentials. And then what we're able to do after we give it this is actually watch this go through, navigate this website, and it is going to go through and actually look at everything that is wrong with it. So what this is doing right now is testing every single button, every single link, every single form, everything on this website in order to see what's actually broken and what needs to be fixed. And then we could see right here that we could actually download this. And then we could see right here a full report. So this goes through what works well. We could see user authentication, product browsing, cart operations, the checkout process, image loading, navigation, order history. It seems like all those things are actually working, but then it goes through a bunch of different issues that it found. We can also see that we can actually see this as a report right here. So this gives us the URL, gives us a test date, gives us a tester. So this is a QA automation engineer, and then the test type, which is going to be end-to-end function testing. And we could see the executive summary here. So there were 16 test cases, 13 passes, 2 partial passes, and 1 of them's a failure. And what this actually does is walks us through all the key findings, everything that we need to fix. So we see all these worked, we see the partial pass, and then we're going to see the failed down here below. And what this actually goes through and does, which is absolutely incredible, is one, gives us different steps in order to reproduce this, tells us what the expected behavior was, and then shows us what the actual behavior was. And now guess what? One, we could get Deep Agent to actually go through and change the code in order to fix this, or we could pass this along to whoever's doing our coding, or if we're vibe coding it ourselves, now we know exactly what we need to fix. And in the past, if you've ever done this before, it is incredibly tedious. It's a huge pain. So this is amazing that AI can now take this over. But I don't want you to think that that's the only thing that Deep Agent can now do, because we could also get it to come over here and do this. And this is quite incredible. In fact, if you have vibe coded anything, you need to go through and do this with your app immediately. We could see the prompt right here, evaluate the app user's journey from world-class product manager and product designer perspective. So I want you to critically assess the usability, clarity, friction points, and overall experience. Please provide prioritized recommendations on what to fix and what to improve, both from a design and product standpoint. So what this is going to do is go through as your user would, and it is going to document all the things that are wrong. Then we can see, per usual, this is going to ask a few questions, and now this is going through and this is actually finding everything that is wrong by testing what the user's journey is. And then we can see right here that this goes through and this is taking all these actions on a computer. Now in the past, you would have to set up tests, you would have to set up funnels, you would have to get focus groups in order to do this. But look at this. This literally went through and did this for us in just a few minutes. And we could see that this gave us a UX evaluation report for this website. So it gives us the URL, gives us the date, gives us the evaluator. We could see there's an executive summary, there's a user journey assessment, and we could download this if we wanted to. And this actually goes through and rates everything that's positive, that's negative, the issues found, and how to fix them. If we come over here and actually download this, this is what this looks like. We could see that we have this full report right here with everything that needs to be fixed, everything that needs to be optimized, everything that needs to be adjusted. And again, we could go through and we could fix these things or change these things ourselves, or we could get Deep Agent to actually go through and do this. And this is something that you need to have set up to happen on a weekly basis, not only to just check your website for bugs, but also to check your user flow, because the more that you optimize your user flow, the more money you're going to make, the more leads you're going to get, and the more success you're going to have. And what's even crazier is you don't just have to do this for your own websites. You can now literally sell this as a service, which I just thought of this on the fly. This would be absolutely incredible if you sold a service that went through and tested people's websites or went through their user flows and gave them feedback. Now, before I show you some other use cases for this, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Deep Agent today, because no longer is this only a tool that allows you to build out AI automations or that allows you to build out AI agents, because now this is basically your quality assurance engineer in your pocket, because you can have it test your apps, test your tools, test your websites, all on a cadence, and you could even use it to actively improve these things. On top of that, that's not the only thing you're going to get with Deep Agent, because it also gives you access to Chat LLM, which lets you access every single LLM all from one dashboard, and you could use this to create social media content, to create images, or just to access the latest and greatest models. So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below and sign up today. This tool is an absolute no-brainer with all you're going to get for only $10 a month. Now, the next use case I wanted to walk you through here is how we could actually have this go through and test navigation flows on a website. So we could see here, you just use a very simple prompt like this. I want you to test all the navigation flows for my website and then give it the URL. And then we see here, before I test the navigation flow, I would like to clarify what the scope is of the testing, what the depth is, and if you have any specific concerns. So you just go through, fill that out, and then boom, this is going to go through, navigate through the website, and give us this report. Now we can see exactly what this looks like. This is going to go through, and this just wrote up 4 different tests, and now we could go through and see it actually do this again. This is going to open up the website inside of a browser right here, and this is now going through, and this is navigating everything, and we could see what the results are here. So we could see that this website actually got a pass, which is great, because this is the tool that we are actually using in order to do this, which is pretty meta that we're doing this. So we could see overall results. We have total test cases 15, passed 15, failed, it's going to be 0, warnings, it's going to be 0, and this goes through all the different URLs that were tested, and there were 40 plus, and the key findings is that all navigation links are functional, there are no broken links. We could see that we could also download the full report here once again. So we have all the different tests that this went through. This went through more than 7 different tests. In fact, it scanned more than 40 different links. We could see the navigation structure right here. We could see the test coverage summary. This also gives us an overall assessment and a conclusion, so we could see that Abacus AI is set up incredibly well. But again, you want to make sure that you are going through and running this for your clients' websites, for your apps, and this works for anything. And this doesn't only work for going through and testing the navigation of a website, you can also get it to test a landing page. For example, I just built out this landing page right here for reclaiming your peace, and this is going to be something that is free to join, it's in person, and it's evidence-based. And as we can see right here, we might want to test this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll through here so you can see this quickly, and then we're going to come over to Deep Agent and we're going to get it to test this. So we could see right here by this, I want you to test all user-facing forms in the app using realistic fake data. Please submit each form and verify that the expected confirmation or response is correctly delivered via email, which is crazy that this is actually going through and this is testing that it's actually getting the email responses, which is great. And then we want this to report missing emails, incorrect content, delays, broken submission flows, and raise any critical bugs in the connected Jira account, which is crazy that Deep Agent's able to do this, but it is because this is able to spin up connections to any other tools that you're using while it's testing your website. So as we can see right here, this asks us a few questions, we answer them, and then once again, this goes off, and this is testing our website right here in here. As you can see, this is also going through, this is testing forms, and this went through and tested everything, so let's this report, and we could see that almost everything worked except for one. We did have one fail, and this goes through and gives us this exact test summary, so we could see what the fail is down here. We could see the test execution details, and we can also see the conclusion right here, which is the bug fail, and it gives us exactly what the gyro key is, what the summary is, what the priority is, and a conclusion of what we need to do in order to actually fix this. Now this brings me to the last and most impressive test that I want to show you right here. Is if we come over here and we put in a prompt like this, I want you to come up with a test plan in order to test my app, and I want you to do it on a weekly basis every day at Monday, 9 a.m. IST time. I want you to act as different users or roles. For example, admin, standard user, and test the app end to end and verify that all the permissions are enforced correctly. Now, this is something you need to make sure that you do if you create a vibe coded tool, and most people skip this because here's the reality. You don't want just a regular user to be able to access somebody else's information, or you don't want a regular user to be able to access the admin dashboard, and this will actually go through and check all of that for you from all the different user permission roles that you have. You can see that once again, this asks us a few questions, we answer it, and now this goes through, and this is going to actually go through our dashboard right here from a bunch of different scenarios, which is crazy because this is going to allow us to see when we can log into things, when we can't log into things, and so many more things like that. So now this goes through and this shows us exactly what test credentials were used, what role, it goes through the test scope, and once again, we could go through all the different things here. And this literally goes through all the different functionality, what the actual result was, what the expected result was, so that we could identify any bugs in the system, anything that's wrong with all of our system roles. And once again, we could get this to fix this once we're done, if we needed it to. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through a ton of other use cases that you could use Deep Agent for. If that sounds interesting, I'll see you over there.